Hey, Alex Ryan here. Hope you're doing really well. Hope you're enjoying your Friday afternoon. I'm up here on the Surfers Paradise. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that incredible? Right here on the beach, just where I'm staying, and just looking out here. The reason I'm here, guys, I'm actually preparing for the conference happening in 2 weeks' time. If you're joining us, don't forget the 28th and 29th. Mark that down your calendar. I would love to see you there. I'm actually really looking forward to it. It's going to be an incredible 2-day conference. If you're gold or platinum, don't forget it's going to be the 30th as well. So we are going to be doing a bonus day on the 30th. And I'm looking forward to meeting you personally in there, shaking your hand and helping you find your product and get you listed on, and launching your product on Amazon on the Sunday, all right? So a couple of quick things you need to do prior to the conference. First of all, if you haven't yet booked your place in for the conference, make sure you do that as soon as you possibly can, all right? And what do I mean by that is go to the members area. If you haven't yet done this, all right, go to the members area. Down the bottom of the page, there is a button there. Give that a link and click. It's just to let us know the numbers for the event, all right? So if you're a student of ours, you actually get a ticket to that for free, right? So make sure you do that, all right? So let us know that you are coming to this conference, right? Number 2, on the Saturday, make sure you mark down the time we start, which is going to be early. It's going to be 8:30 a.m. in the morning. That's what time we are kicking off, which means that you kind of need to be there a little bit earlier, right? Doors open 8:15 a.m. in the morning. We are starting at 8:30 a.m. in the morning. It's going to be an incredible day. We've got a lot of things lined up. I'm really excited. This is the reason I'm up here 2 weeks prior, because we saw the conference venue today. We started planning, just making sure the audio, all that sort of stuff works. We're preparing basically a great presentation. We've got some great, amazing speakers lined up. Amazing speakers. We've got a $1 million Amazon seller coming and speaking, sharing what she's been basically selling, the products that she's been marketing. We've got 2 gentlemen flying up from Melbourne sharing secrets to getting the best quality products. So how to make sure that the products you jump onto are incredible, right? So your customers are always going to be happy. And on top of that, we've got a lovely couple from Brisbane coming in and talking about what they're doing on Amazon right now and sharing some secrets as well. So like I said, guys, I'm really looking forward to meeting you in person in 2 weeks' time and helping you launch your first product on Amazon. And we're going to be going through a lot. So it's going to be a pretty intensive day. So come caffeinated, come with batteries included. What that means is come energized, all right? All right, so come with batteries included to the training and enjoy, you know, the gorgeous Surfers Paradise as well. Like, you can sort of stay at the venue. We've got a lot of people staying at the venue. It's nice and close. And we've got people staying in Surfers Paradise and Broad Beach and all that. You can literally stay anywhere you want. If you're sort of asking about that, you know, where do I stay? You can stay anywhere, essentially. Like, this is why we run the conference up here on the Gold Coast. Like, look around. It's nuts, like, in terms of accommodation. Like, apartments everywhere, hotels everywhere, right? There's so many places where you can stay. When myself and my business partner used to run these in Sydney, it was literally, accommodation, parking was just a nightmare. So this is why we run them on the Gold Coast. It's one of the best places to actually run conventions and seminars. So guys, I'm looking forward to meeting you in person and helping you, and let's get this started. Don't forget, 8:30 a.m. is when we start the training, all right, on the Saturday, all right? I will let you guys know, and don't forget the address as well. So it's Mermaid Quality Hotel. Looking forward to seeing you there. Have a great Friday night. Talk to you real soon, guys. Bye-bye.